design aspects of electric motors, specifically EV motors, which are very different from the industrial motors and optimized to the electric vehicle industry, is not something that people outside the automotive industry will easily be able to understand.
There are two sets of MSMEs who are already into automotive in Coimbatore, who have been suppliers like Tier 1 or Tier 2 suppliers to existing OEMs. For them, in future, when much of these OEMs are going to move into the EVs by anyway, what is their stage and how are they planning for the transition themselves? So this is something which has not been really been addressed.
எனக்கு டெக்னிக்கலாக சில விஷயங்கள் தெரியாது. நான் அதை அவுட் சோர்ஸ் தான் பண்ண வேண்டியிருந்தது. ஸோ அவுட் சோர்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது என்னோட முழுசாக நான் அவங்கள தான் டிபெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். எல்லா டெக்னாலஜியும் வந்து அவங்கள தான் டிபெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். ஸோ அந்த விதத்தில் வந்து எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ட்ராபேக் ஆச்சு.
The content of the program was extremely comprehensive. It goes down into the depths of design and also covers the business and finance aspects of the industry.
Different 3 to 4 vehicles which அவங்க differentiate பண்ணி காட்டும்போது so we can easily understand what is the basic component, what is the different component, and then how the vehicles are differ from one company to another company.
I was not aware of the regulations that are being in this EV industry, but this program clearly explained me what all the market needs, what the customer requirement is.
The format that we had, that it's not only for the senior management but also for the middle management. Also, a few sessions were there for the blue-collar workforce as well. That is a very comprehensive kind of a plan. The fact that we were able to network with a lot of, industry stalwarts who are already there. So certainly, they added a lot of value to the whole program.
Given that we are in the sustainable mobility revolution, this is one of the greatest initiatives. I haven't come across anything like this. So for business entrepreneurs and businessmen who are looking to grab opportunities in this sector, there's nothing better we can ask for.